Virat Roop, Vishwaroop, or you can call it cosmic form of God, or you can also call it universal form of God. So this Virat Roop is a divine form of God in which all this infinite universe with all the cosmos, all the planets, etc., are shown in the body of one divine God, which Lord Shri Krishna showed to Arjuna during the Mahabharata war. During the Mahabharata war, Lord Krishna bestows a special vision to Arjuna so that he can see the divine God in his universal form. In this cosmic or universal form, Lord Krishna shows his opulence, hundreds of thousands of very divine and multicolored forms to Arjuna during Mahabharata war. Lord Krishna shows to the Arjuna different manifestations of Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini Kumaras, and all other demigods. Lord Krishna also shows in his Virat Rupa, in his universal form, many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard earlier. Arjuna, through the divine vision given to him by Lord Krishna, saw all these special forms of Virat Rupa and was terrified. Vishwarupa or Virat Rupa or universal cosmic form of God has innumerable forms. This Virat Rupa has innumerable eyes, faces, innumerable mouths, and innumerable arms. It's really Virat. Virat means which is really very gracious and very big. Arjuna saw this Virat Rupa by the grace of Lord Krishna. In this Virat Rupa, all the creatures of this universe are part of that divine big God only. As per Lord Krishna, he himself is pervading in this universe, in this Virat Roop, in this very gracious form, and is pervading all this infinite universe, which is without any beginning and without any end. In this Virat Rupa, Lord Krishna contains many peaceful as well as very wrathful forms. Arjuna, after seeing this big divine infinite form of God, infinite form of Lord Krishna, is really very terrified, and Arjuna is unable to bear the scale of the sight and is very much gripped with very much fear. After seeing this terrified form, Arjuna requests Lord Krishna to come back to his Vishnu form, which is four-armed form of Lord Vishnu, which Arjuna says that he is able to bear and see, but is unable to wear and see this terrible form of Virat Rupa of Lord Krishna. Fully encouraged by the teachings and Virat Roop darshan of Lord Krishna in his full form, Arjuna continued the Mahabharata war, and ultimately Pandavas won the Mahabharata war. When we see chapter 10 of Bhagavad Gita, in this chapter 10, Arjuna inquires from Lord Krishna about the various forms through which Lord Krishna is pervading in all these words and his divine opulence. To this query of Arjuna, Lord Krishna replies that of all the lights, he is the radiant sun. Of all the immovable things, he is the Himalaya. Of all the stars, he himself is the moon. Of all the purifiers, he himself is the wind. Of all the wielders of weapons, he himself is Lord Rama. And similarly, he told many other forms which he himself is there in this universe, and ultimately showed it to Arjuna, which is explained in chapter 11 of Bhagavad Gita. In chapter 11 of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna asked Lord Krishna to show him the cosmic form of God, the way Lord Krishna described himself in chapter 10. So Lord Krishna showed Arjuna the universal or cosmic form or Virat Rupa. Arjuna saw in the universal form or Virat Rupa unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, unlimited wonderful visions. This Virat Rupa was decorated with many celestial ornaments also, and also bore many divine upraised weapons also. This Virat Rupa wore celestial garlands and celestial garments. This Virat Rupa also wore many divine scents which were smeared all over his body. All this Virat Rupa was wondrous, brilliant, unlimited, and all expanding into the universe. In chapter 11, verse 7 of Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna says to Arjuna, O Arjuna, whatever you wish to see, behold at once in this body of mine. This universal form can show you whatever you now desire to see. and whatever you may want to see in future also. Everything, moving and non-moving, is here completely in one place, which is Virat Rupa. On seeing such a fierce form of God, Arjuna gets frightened and asks the God, "O God, O Lord Krishna, who are you in this fearful form? And what is your mission in this form?" To this query of Arjuna, Lord Krishna says, "O Arjuna, in this Virat Rupa, I am time, which is also called Kala. I am Kal, time in this universe, which destroys all this universe and all the worlds, which destroys all the people in this universe. I am that big Kal, I am time. With the exception of you, O Pandava, with the exception of you, O Arjuna, all the soldiers here on both sides, with the exception of few Pandavas and few Kauravas, all these soldiers in the Mahabharata war will be slain. This, as Kal, as time, I will devour everything." Then, in one verse, Arjuna says to Lord Krishna, after seeing this big universal divine form, Arjuna says, if hundreds of thousands of suns were to rise at once into the sky, their radiance might resemble the effulgence of the supreme form of universal God, which is called Virat Rupa. So this divine form was so big, so huge, and so much illuminous that it was really very big and divine. Arjuna, now realizing the might of Lord Krishna, realizing the might of Virat Rupa, apologizes ultimately to Lord Krishna that he has considered Lord Krishna as his friend and also rashly addressed Lord Krishna many times as "O Krishna, O Yadva, O my friend." However, not knowing Lord Krishna's divine glories. Ultimately, Arjuna asked Lord Krishna to return to his intimate, beautiful form of Lord Krishna himself, which he saw him earlier during his lifetime. At Arjuna's request, the Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, again displays his real form to Arjuna and dispels the fear of Arjuna, which he got after seeing the Virat Rupa. Jai Shri Krishna. All viewers are requested to subscribe to this channel and also to play the bell icon so that they can get future videos intimation immediately, and you can enjoy many other videos in this divine channel. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Krishna.